Nagkaka-eczema o atopic dermatitis daw ang ilang Filipino immigrants kahit na hindi nila ito naranasan dati sa Pilipinas. Ayon kay Dr. Kim Tantuco, isang pediatric dermatologist mula Ottawa, malaking factor sa pagkakaroon ng eczema ang genetics. May mga taong predisposed daw sa ganitong mutation.
There is a protein in the skin called filaggrin, which maintains and keeps the function of your skin barrier. So if there is a mutation in the filaggrin gene, you have a higher risk of developing eczema. You have an impaired skin barrier and you get sensitized by these allergens through the skin.
Madalas daw na umpisa ang eczema ng atopic march o progression ng allergic diseases. Maaari raw itong masundan ng food allergies, allergic rhinitis at asthma paglaki ng bata. Ani Tantuko, maaari rin daw maging dahilan ng eczema ang mga pagbabago sa environment at ng immune system.
When you move to a new country, you're now exposed to a different climate. You're also exposed to a different lifestyle and different occupation set. You're also exposed to different allergens in their environment. You have changes in your lifestyle. You're changing your diet. You have different allergens in the household like dust mites.
Wala raw sapat na ebidensya para masabi kung epektibo nga ba ang pag-inom ng ilang supplements sa pagpuksa ng eczema. Hindi rin daw may advice na umiwas sa ilang pagkain lalo na kung hindi pa natetest kung allergic nga ba ang bata dito o hindi.
There have been some evidence showing that the more you restrict a child from certain foods, the more likely they can develop an allergy to that ingredient.
Mainam daw na magpahid na lang ng moisturizer at sunblock para maiwasan ng flare-ups.
All year round, every single day, sometimes twice a day, and in between, if you frequently wash your hands, you'll need to repair that barrier with like a thick moisturizer.
Pag nagpapagamot ng eczema, importante rin daw na huwag kalimutan tapusin ang gamutan.
This is a big pitfall in treatment of eczema is patients will treat their eczema twice a day until about 50, 60, minsan 70% better, and then they tend to stop. What happens when you tend to stop too early is that the eczema will come back right away, maybe even with more severe than it was.
Pat Fernandez, Omni News.